No one talks about this part of parenthood. You love your children so much, but along the way, you start to feel unmotivated. You can't even recognize who you are. And you're wondering, how can I start over without abandoning the life I built? If you have been feeling exhausted, stuck, let's talk about it. I know parenthood can change your identity, not just your schedule, but also your entire sense of life in a positive way. But also it has its ups and downs. But you can always find beauty in it. But here is the mind shift that changed everything for me. You're not starting from scratch. You're starting from experience. You're turning your experiences into lessons. Parenthood made you more stronger, more resilient, more emotionally aware, not only for your children, but also for yourself and family as well. The goal isn't becoming your old version again. The goal is meeting your new self. And honestly, the version after kids is better than before because you become wiser, more focused in everything you do. So actually, how do you rebuild yourself again? For me, it's about small decisions, non-dramatic life changes. Start taking care of your body again. For me, it was starting working out, going for walks, having time for myself. Reconnect with your hobbies. If you used to go for golf, go for it. If you used to go to meet your girlfriends for a tea, for a coffee, just for a talk, start again whichever activity you used to do and it used to make you happy. Tap into your hobbies again. It doesn't mean that when you become a parent, everything changes. There is that person inside of you who used to love hanging out with your friends, going for different fellowships. So whatever that looks for you, father or mother, tap into it again. Having 15 minutes for yourself daily. I don't care what you have to do in those 15 minutes, but whatever you choose to do, enjoy yourself without even feeling guilty, because you have to know that it's your time. It can mean even just going into your bedroom and be quiet. And everyone in the house knows now it's mommy's time, it's daddy's time. Start to do something which makes you feel alive. Me, I can dance and I don't care who's around me. I'll enjoy my dancing. If it means screaming, writing, journaling, reading, whatever makes you to be in your element without minding who's watching, who's seeing me, go for it. Learn to set boundaries. Boundaries of saying no. Boundaries. We set boundaries at work, at home, for your family. Protect your space. Protect your energy. And you don't need to be explaining yourself all the time. It gives you freedom to have right to say what you need to say, to do things when you need to do them. Because confidence doesn't come fast, action does. Tiny, consistent actions rebuild identity. If you've been feeling lost, this is a reminder for you. You're not behind in life, you are transitioning. And transitioning feel uncomfortable because growth is uncomfortable. But little by little, you can rebuild yourself again. Comment starting over if this resonates with you.